So what do you do when it's cold out? You got nothing else to do? You fix your bogus LED bulbs. You can see this one's flickering. What's wrong is one or more of the LEDs are bad. So first thing you do is you separate the bulb from the base. And you can see I've already done one. There's just silicone here that keeps this part attached. And these obviously this is, you're going to repair these and reuse them. You're not going to use these outdoors. It's going to be an indoor only solution. So there's a number of ways you can separate this. You can use brute strength and try and pry it off, but chances are that won't work. You can take a knife and roll it around the edge like that, and this will eventually separate the glue. You're not cutting the plastic, you're just applying pressure to separate that RTV bead. And this one's already coming. In the interest of saving time, I'm going to pry this off. There you go. So there you have it. There's your LED, and this is all direct current. It's DC, low voltage. So I'm going to stick it back in my fixture. Okay, you see it's real weak. What you want to do is take a pair of tweezers and one by one short out these LEDs. And you'll see them go, the one you're shorting out, go out. But when you find the bad LED, you'll see the rest of them light up. There could be more than one, but in my previous fixes, it's only been one LED that's been bad. So it's that one right there. As soon as I short that one, they all come back to life. So what I'm going to do, verify that's the one. I'm going to turn this off. I take my pliers. I'm going to break the plastic part of that LED. You can also use your flathead and just scrape the plastic part of the LED. Once you have the plastic part off, take your soldering iron and just short this out. See if that, and then test it. There you go. So this is this is the fourth one I've done, and these are different brands too. So that's a completely different design. So this one, I bypassed that LED right there. That one now works. On this one, it's this LED that I just broke and bypassed. And these LED bulbs are expensive. So, you know, by leaving the bulb off, if another LED goes out, you can just perform the repair again. So I probably got $30 worth of LED bulbs that I'm going to repair because they were Walmart flaky units. So this one, it wouldn't light up no matter what I bypass, but you can see this LED right here and this LED right here are burnt out because you can see the actual burn marks. So I'm going to bypass those and see if it comes back to life. So it's partially back to life. There's actually 3. I got it to the point where it actually lights up. But there's one more LED here. I think it's this one. You can see there's a little burn mark right there. If I short this one out, voila. So sometimes it's more than one LED. If it's just one LED, it's easy to fix. If it's more than one, it might not light up, and you have to visually inspect and see, look for burnouts. But the camera's not going to show it, but there's a slight dark spot right on that LED. Okay, so you see I bypassed the 3, so it doesn't blind you. Good as new. Out of the 17 bulbs, I was able to save 15. $16 worth of LED bulbs saved.